What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is Chris with Wall Street PR, and as always, this is not financial advice, nor my financial advisor, so be sure to do your own research before investing. But with that said, let's get right into this video. You guys can see over here on the 180-day, 4-hour time frame, I have Torque Lifestyle Brands pulled up. Their ticker symbol is TQLB. As you guys can see by this price action in these past few weeks to these past few months, they have stabilized and looked pretty good here, currently trading at about 25 cents per share. For those of you who don't know what Torque Lifestyle Brands is, they're in the health and wellness sector, and they do have a focus on sports nutrition as well as sports supplements. And they do have 3 separate kind of products and branches as a part of their overall brand, and they did just start and launch up Storm Lifestyles, as you can see over here, which is targeting the explosive younger sports nutrition demographic, which personally, guys, I think is a great idea. As of March 4th of this year as well, you can see they also launched a new supplement product line utilizing the rapidly growing affiliate market programs. And then lastly, down here, as of March 25th of 2021, they announced the addition of NFL Network star Brian Baldinger as brand ambassador for Core Natural Sciences. So like I said, guys, I do think now is a pretty solid entry point. They have proved that they can hold these levels, and they have been kind of trading in this range for about the low 20-cent mark to the upper to low $30 mark. You can also see, guys, over here from the previous all-time high at $2.10, they have been kind of slowly downtrending, but you do want to see a nice stabilizing move falling at a new low on this time frame of 12 cents. That's exactly what we saw. If we zoom in a little bit further, you can see they're regaining all of these EMA lines. On the zoom in a little bit further so you guys can see the RSI indicator is still sitting relatively neutral at 50.14. And the main thing I want to talk about, guys, is this MACD indicator down here. When this blue line begins to cross back upwards and crosses this yellowish tannish line, that's a huge bullish sign and a shift in momentum from the sellers back over to the buyers. You can see the last time we saw this blue line cross this yellow line right here, we did have a significant gap up in the overall price action of TQLB. Next, if we take a look at their most recent news article coming available, I should say, on June 2nd of 2021, they did announce a huge growth in retail locations nationwide. If we take a look down here, you can see that they're an emerging leader in the 150 billion plus sports nutrition and supplements market. And today they announced they have started shipments into national locations from tier 1 health and nutrition retailers, including GNC, which is obviously a huge one, Max Muscle and Sports Nutrition, as well as Vegas Discount Nutrition. You can see that their chief executive officer did say that they are pleased to have significantly expanded our retail footprint for our American Metabolics brand, building our recent momentum to begin a significant new sales push going into the summer of 2021. This is from David Levatt, Chief Executive Officer at Torque Lifestyle Brands. So obviously, guys, they are sitting pretty well right now. They are clearly floating under the radar, and they are an emerging leader in this huge industry, as mentioned over here by this article. You can also see that he stated, "We are well positioned to seize the market opportunity facing us today, and we remain on track to deliver at least 1.5 million in revenue in 2021, which would represent a pretty solid overall percent and year-over-year increase in previous sales." So overall, guys, like I said, I would start a position right here at the 25-cent mark. I do think it has upside and could reclaim this 200-day EMA as it does gain more volume and recognition over here at the 47.5-cent mark. I do think it has a ton of upside from here. Obviously, guys, floating under the radar. Just once more people hear about this company, it will get more volume, which in return, that volume will draw and drive some more positive price action. But with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one.